Upcycled furniture breathes new life into pieces that might otherwise be discarded, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary through paint, imagination, and a touch of resourcefulness. It's more than a trend, it's a movement that celebrates sustainability, personal style, and the joy of hands-on creativity. Whether it's an old chair with a wobbly leg, a battered table with scratches and stains, or a cabinet gathering dust in the attic, upcycling offers a second chance for these forgotten items. The journey begins with discovery. Sometimes the perfect piece reveals itself at a flea market, thrift store, or even on the curb, waiting for someone to recognize its hidden potential. Other times, it's a family heirloom whose memories are too precious to let go, despite its outdated appearance. The first step is seeing past the wear and tear, envisioning what the furniture could become, not just what it is. Preparation is key to a successful transformation. Old chairs may need their joints tightened, tables might require sanding to smooth the surface, and cabinets could benefit from a thorough cleaning. Each scratch, chip, or dent tells a story, but with a little effort, these blemishes can be erased or even incorporated into the new design. Sometimes the imperfections themselves inspire the creative process, leading to a rustic or distressed finish that honors the piece's history. Color is the most powerful tool in the upcycler's arsenal. A fresh coat of paint can redefine a piece, turning a dull brown dresser into a lively turquoise statement or an uninspired beige chair into a bold crimson accent. The choice of color reflects personality and mood. Bright, cheerful hues for a playful vibe, or muted tones for a calming presence. Techniques like color blocking, ombre fading, or stenciling add layers of interest, transforming simple surfaces into works of art. Creativity flourishes in the details. Drawer knobs can be swapped for vintage hardware, table legs can be dipped in metallic paint, or cabinet doors can be adorned with hand-painted patterns. Fabrics offer another avenue for expression. A chair seat can be reupholstered with vibrant prints, or a table can be topped with decoupage from old magazines or maps. These small touches elevate the entire piece, making it unique and personal. Upcycling also encourages experimentation. There are no strict rules. One project might call for chalk paint and a distressed finish, while another might shine with glossy lacquer and clean lines. Mixing styles, such as pairing mid-century shapes with contemporary colors, often yields surprising results. The process fosters a spirit of exploration, allowing the creator to learn new techniques and discover what works best for each individual piece. The impact of upcycled furniture goes beyond aesthetics. By reviving old items, less waste ends up in landfills, and the demand for new materials is reduced. It's a sustainable choice that benefits the environment while also offering financial savings. Instead of buying new, people can create one-of-a-kind pieces for a fraction of the cost, often with higher quality and sentimental value. Finished upcycled furniture brings warmth and character to any space. A painted chair might become the focal point of a reading nook, a reimagined table can anchor family gatherings, or a refreshed cabinet could organize cherished collections. Each piece carries the story of its transformation, a testament to creativity and care. In the end, upcycling furniture is an act of renewal, restoring beauty, creating function, and expressing individuality. It invites us to look at what we have with fresh eyes, to invest time and imagination, and to celebrate the art of reinvention. With paint and creativity, any old chair, table, or cabinet can be revived, ready to serve and inspire for years to come.